I want to just a clap. Everybody give a big clap.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Why giving to?
One. Okay. Thank you.
Take one.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Handshake. Thank you, Iris. Thank you, Penyon. Thank you. Pachong. Thank you. Yes.
What song? Hindi?
Thank you.
Hindi song or Assamese? Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
English? English?
Oh. Oh, thank you. Thank you, handshake. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Again, two to give. Yeah? Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Again, coming here. Huh?
They are bringing more, I think. He is bringing more. Yeah, double.
Hello. Now I would like to give a short speech about this Teacher Day. Honorable Principal, respected teachers, guardians, parents, and all my dear friends, good morning to all of you. My name is Gautam Prasad from class 9. I am the GS of Romanos English School. First of all, I would like to say thanks to all my teachers for giving us a golden occasion for speak about Teachers Day. So I am going to speak about this Teachers Day. In India, we celebrate Teachers Day by teachers and students on 5 September. All we know that it is the birth of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. After he became President of India in 1962, after a student's request, so we celebrate his birth as Teacher Day. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
give a gift for Imami madam. Jesse. Now we will give a Jesse madam a gift.
Wish me bro. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am and sir.
Now we will give a Gowda madam a small gift.
Ma'am and sir.
Now we will give a Manjula madam a small gift. Now we will give a small prize to Pramila auntie. Small gift. We will give a Sar Jeswa a small gift. Sar Jeswa. We will give a small gift to Sir Hwdaosha. We will give a small prize to Sir Hwdaosha.
There is a picture along with me. So first of all, I want to show you this, and I want to tell you who has drawn this. This is, Honorable Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and this photo has been drawn by Phungsarang Brahma, class 6 student. And it's a special gift he has handed over this to me. So it's a really good, very good drawing. So on him only I want to say a very short speech this time. I don't want to give a long speech because it's very hot, I know. Each and every year when the children celebrate this program, Teachers Day, I have been getting the opportunity to say, and we don't have extra chief guests also because it's a special for teachers only. It's a program for teachers, respecting teachers. That's why we don't have any extra special guests. Anyway, in this time today, we are really very much happy because we are being respected by the students. It's very much special for us. And this respect, this celebration, this opportunity we got only because of our Honorable Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Everybody knows about him. I think everybody knows. Still, I want to say a few sentences about him. And he was the second Vice President of our proud India country. When India got the independence in the second term, he was elected as a Vice President of our country. And he was, as a profession, he was a teacher. First, he was a teacher, and he was very kind, very much valuable person, and that's why his student, and this 5 September is birthday of this Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, 5 September, and his students wanted to celebrate the 5 September as his birthday, but he insisted it. He said, no, not my birthday, but you respect the teachers on my birthday. And because of this, we got this opportunity. Children are celebrating this day. And really, it's very much special and auspicious for us. And this time, only 4 words I want to share with the teachers, because it's a Teachers' Day. Teachers, another name is love. L-O-V-E, love. So I want to say the 4 law of love, 4 law of teacher, which means love. L means listening and learning about a child, who and what they are. Number 1, L means. O means we have to not only to pick what their weakness, what are their failures, but we have to understand, we have to recognize what the qualities the student have, what they will be in future. Valuing. V means valuing. Each and every child we have to respect as a person, because in future what they will be, we can say about them. That's why being a person, we must give value to each and every student. Encouraging. All the time we must encourage the student so that they can go higher and higher, higher and higher. They get the more and more this one encouragement, willingness to learn more and more. This is whole law of teachers. So we must have this quality as a teacher. So as it is the Teachers' Day, I have said this whole law of teachers in this special occasion. So this short speech I would like to conclude here. Thank you.